What I'm about to teach you in this video will help you for the rest of your emotional and relational life. So stay with me and focus on what I'm saying. I don't care if you skip the video, but if you don't understand the complete concept, what's the point of watching this video? Have you ever wondered why women treat some men like trash, while the same women desperately chase after men? If you think the answer is only related to money or body shape, you're wrong. In fact, there are many good-looking guys out there who can't even get a date, and many wealthy guys who are only used by women for their money. So what's the real secret? The answer is simple. High-value men know how to treat people. Some men are pathetic and desperate, and that makes them weak. In their eyes, high-value men are the opposite. These men know exactly how to interact with women, and that drives them crazy. Listen carefully. A calm and stoic man attracts people and expresses confidence at first sight. Trust me, a confident man stands out immediately from most other men. However, you need to know how to do it. There's a psychology behind this. Today we'll examine 8 tips for being a true stoic man in the eyes of others. Are you ready for this? Let's get started. Be bold. First of all, you need to be able to approach them like a man. Passivity is the path of a woman, not of a man. High-value men take what they want from life. They don't sit around hoping things will happen. Remember, fortune favors the bold. High-value men understand that there are great rewards for those who dare to take risks. Don't be afraid to approach a woman. Waiting and being passive are for losers. Remember, it's better to face rejection and failure than to live with the regret of never trying. You can always learn from your mistakes, but you can't go back in time to seize missed opportunities. Pay attention. When a woman turns on her phone, she receives countless notifications from weak men who want to give her attention. This inflates her ego before she's even brushed her teeth. Remember, a high-value man doesn't give attention for free. Plan a special evening together, like a romantic dinner at home or a sunset walk in a local park. During this time, don't use your phone and focus only on each other, creating precious memories together. A high-value man has better things to do than inflate a woman's ego with comments and likes on social media. Leave those tasks to weaker men. Be humble but genuine. Embrace the fearless mindset. High-value men are confident in their charm with women. They don't see women as superior, unattainable beings, but as equals. This fearless mindset allows them to remain composed and relaxed around women, making them irresistibly attractive. On the other hand, many men become anxious around attractive women due to a lack of self-confidence. The key here is charisma, which stems from a deep belief in oneself. Visualize yourself at the peak of your life, exuding strength and confidence. To develop this fearless mindset, it's crucial to recognize and cultivate your own value. Start by improving yourself in all aspects of life, and soon you'll find it difficult to be intimidated or overly impressed by any woman. Remember, you are your greatest treasure. Stop rewarding wrong behaviors. In this segment, we'll explore the concept of not rewarding wrong behaviors. High-value men understand the importance of not falling into the trap of pointless disputes and conflicts. If a woman constantly finds reasons to engage in irrational arguments with you, it's best to avoid the trap. This usually indicates a lack of respect and appreciation for you, and is a sign that you should distance yourself. In such situations, refrain from flooding her with attention until she acknowledges her mistake and apologizes. Avoid becoming overly emotional or reactive. Stay stoic. Remember, women aren't attracted to weakness. Instead, If you're unsure how to respond, opt for silence and maintain a stoic attitude. Silence can often be more impactful than unnecessary words. If you decide to speak, be concise, measured, and succinct. This strategy can help you regain control of the situation. Remember that as a high-value man, it's crucial to maintain your position and not reward negative behaviors. This not only sets the tone for your relationship, but also increases your attractiveness by showing your strength and resolve. Busy yourself with the power of purpose. A high-value man has his grand goals and is determined to achieve them. Such a man is so focused and motivated that he doesn't have time for idle chatter or empty relationships. Instead, he invests his energy in building a life he can be proud of. He doesn't sit around waiting for luck to knock on his door. He takes the reins and makes things happen. He is proactive, productive, and stands out from the average man who suffocates women with attention every day. Finding a job, working out, and taking care of your physical appearance are all part of the package. Imagine this metaphor. Conquering a woman is like a battle, and to win, you need weapons. Your strength is your seduction weapon. A rich life, a fit body, and a pleasant appearance are all part of your arsenal. Embrace independence. To be well with another person, you should be able to be well alone. As we've already established, high-value men aren't afraid to be alone. This doesn't mean that high-value men don't want or appreciate companionship. They do. But they understand the difference between wanting a woman and needing one. They want a woman who complements their life, not one who completes it. They are selective in their relationships, choosing only those who meet their high standards. Embrace frankness and precision. In this segment, we discuss the importance of being direct and precise. High-value men understand the value of clear communication when interacting with a woman. They avoid vague statements and ambiguous behavior. They don't act like another friend, and they avoid using overly frivolous language in their messages. Be yourself, but remember to embody your masculine energy. A high-value man is concise and precise. There's no need to waste time discussing trivial matters. Leave idle chatter to the weak. Remember, it's always better to face rejection and move on than to waste time fighting with a woman who doesn't value you. Don't change your plans for her. High-value men understand the importance of their time. They have their lives full of work, hobbies, friends, and goals. They don't cancel their previous commitments just to accommodate a meeting with an attractive woman. Yes, it might seem nice to be so accommodating, but by doing so, you're showing her that she comes before all your other tasks. You're giving her excessive importance without even truly knowing her. Remember, an intriguing man has a life of his own, and his social life doesn't revolve solely around women. When she understands that your time is precious and isn't given easily, she'll understand that the time you spend together is truly special. I hope these lessons are helpful in your emotional and relational life. Keep following the channel for more tips and support, choosing only those who meet their high standards.